Here's how to convert AVI to M4A audio. I use an app called ConvertSave, and it's super simple. You just drag and drop, select your output. In this case, we're going to M4A and convert, and it saves right back where the original file came from. So it's so fast because I created this app with my brother, who's a software developer, and I was really sick of how slow it was and kind of sketchy to go to random websites and upload your files for them to convert them and then give you a download link or something. And so we created ConvertSave. You can find convertsave.com. We can find it at convertsave.com, or there's a link in the description of the top comment down there. But basically, it's an image, video, and audio converter that works for Mac and Windows, and it works offline. So this works with tools on your computer that you don't even have to upload. This is not an upload or download or anything, and a lot of the conversions are actually instantaneous because we use something called Remux, and that's kind of a advanced thing. And but speaking of advanced stuff, there's a little tab here. It's not just, hey, drag, drop, convert, save. It does work. We make it be the highest quality possible conversion, but you might have some parameters you want to add. So if you click on the advanced options, you can find out the tool that's being used. You can see the commands that are being sent to that tool for the conversion. And you can also add in your own custom commands. Now, you might not know what these even mean. So there's an options builder here where we're trying to make things a little more user friendly. We'll keep working on this to make it even more and more user friendly, but now you can see things like audio quality and audio filters and volume and stuff that makes a lot more sense, that you can actually just check the box and it builds and generates commands for you. And then you can apply those and use them for your conversions. And you can save them, they'll become your default conversion, or you can just use them for this once. But if you do have something in there, I'm just going to type in some random stuff and hit done, which that would fail that conversion. But you'll see a flag up here. And so this flag is kind of like notifying you, hey, there is a custom command on here, just so you know. Because sometimes you might just want to drag, drop, convert, save, and I just want the high quality, real quick conversion. Sometimes you might want to resize a photo, or maybe put some effects on video, or do some different things like change the frame rate. And those you don't want maybe for every conversion, so you would go back in and just clear that out and hit done. But we tried to add that flag there just so you know, hey, some custom stuff might be happening. But yeah, there's a lot of cool things that we're adding and going to bring and kind of have in our roadmap that we're working on. I really appreciate your guys' support. If you want to check it out, remember convertsave.com, or just click the links in the description down there. I'll leave some. I appreciate you guys' support, like I said, and I will see you in the next one.